Okay guys, it's me, Daniel, and I'm about to show you guys what I did to this anthill with a couple bottles of water. And look at how many they are. I don't even think you can count all of these. Look at that. They're seriously everywhere. Look, I did here, right there. So it was the first area. Look at that. And look, you see that hole? If I was able to zoom in enough, look at that. Look at that. That. You see that big crack right there? See that big crack? See that big crack right there? Yeah. See it? It has a bunch of eggs inside. So, really quick, I want to show you. Where are the eggs? If I can. Here. Here's a glaze up. Look. Look. You see, you see right there. You see over here? See that? Right there? That's the egg. And it had a little bit of egg in here. Oh, that was a lot, and there's a lot more there.